Thanks for tuning in for another essential RC flight test. So today we are reviewing the XK A130 from our friends at Banggood.com. So this is like the, I don't know, I think it's a lot like the C5 Galaxy, the big cargo transport. Looks good on the box. Importantly, it comes with everything that you need to get flying. I like products like this. No messing around getting different components from different stores. So you get the plane, you get the transmitter to control it, you get the flight battery that goes in the plane, and you get the charger for that flight battery as well. Nothing else to get, with the exception of the 4 AA's that you'll need to put in the transmitter. That's it. So let's not hang around, let's take the components out of the box. Let's see what we get. Okay, so this is the A130 out of the box, and I have to say, out of all the XK models I reviewed, this is quite a big one. It's a nice decent size for a small park flyer. So you get that, obviously. It's got 2 pusher props at the back pushing it along. It's got elevator servo for pitch up and down. Now it doesn't have ailerons for roll, it has the 2 propellers, and it uses the yaw effect, so different speed of the propellers to make it turn in the air. No problem, that does work. We get the transmitter as well. Put some 4 AA batteries in that, and you get the USB charger, so plug it into your laptop or desktop PC, and plug in the flight battery as well, which is in the plane already. You get a screwdriver, and you get some wheels as well. Now I'm not going to bother with the wheels because we're on grass here in the park, but fine, let's charge it up and let's see it fly for the first time. Okay, so here we go, all charged up. Remember to turn on putting the battery in the plane first and turn that on, and then turn on the transmitter, and one will bind to the other. So here we go, let's give it its first flight. So there we go, that's the XK A130. Have to say, it does take a little bit of trial and error to get used to flying it. It does have its eccentricities, but it's a lot of fun to fly. It's quite challenging. So, you know, but it does fly within this little space and in this little bit of breeze that we've got this morning. So a lot of fun to fly. So look it up on banggood.com. The link is in the product link is in the video description for this video. You might want to you might be interested in other essential RC flight tests, so subscribe to our YouTube channel using the button in the bottom left now, or you might want to join our Facebook group for news, reviews and the occasional free giveaway. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time. Okay, that was good.